Dear civil engineers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. So till our previous lecture, I have just completed how to draw our uh, column perfectly. Now, in this lecture, we'll complete our models and we'll go for analysis and design. So now I'll go to that, from here, plan view, and I'll go to ground floor, apply, okay, and stop. Okay, after coming here, go here, quick draw columns, and from here select grade beam. I'm selecting grade beam 12 into 18 inch size grade beam, and from here, 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 uh here, here, in that particular place we can draw beam directly, and here also you can do that, here also you can do that, here you can do that, and here, and where, just remember that where we need to draw beam directly, there no extra grid should be crosshair. So I'll click on that option, and from here I'll change it here and click that point and simply move here, again simply move here, okay. Then also here carefully do that, also that grid point, again I'll go here in that grid point, in that grid point also close, and where I need actually, so from particular that column to that column, here also, here, and here also I need another beam from that point to that point, grid point, escape, and from that grid point to that point, and from grid point E1 to grid point E1 to grid point, and in that grid point click enter, escape, and we have done that, okay. Now I'll go to our above floor. Similarly I'll do it, in that same way I'll do it. So I'll just click here, okay, simply take that option, and from here I'll select floor beam 12 into 8 inch for first time, as it's a 10-story building, that point to that point, here, 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 you have to do that very carefully. Remember that your beam should be based on grid point, enter, and here we need another beam, enter, here another one, enter, and here another one, okay, enter. From that point to that point we need a beam, and here we need another one, and again from that column to that column, and here. It's done. It's done as per our this arrangement. So here you can see that they have a beam, but this beam is not placed in that level. This beam is known as a stranger beam, and this is below our staircase, I mean mid landing of our staircase. So skip that. I'll skip that. Now we have done that perfectly. Here if we go here, view, and from here also you can show render view. Don't do that. Now we'll draw our slab. I'll just go to the rectangular floor option where we can draw our rectangular slab. So here we can draw a rectangular slab from that point to directly till that point, and same from that point to that point where we have a rectangular area, we can draw our rectangular slab. Here another one, and here another one. Okay, and in that place we can draw rectangular slabs. That's why we have to take that option. First of all that point, then here that point, then here, here, and here, and move your mouse and press enter. Just see that. Again same way, here, here, click here, and here, enter. So it's done. Now we have to do another task before creating our staircase. If we go to our plan, you see they have some extension part. So here they have extended slab, and also a beam in that side. Okay, in that side we have some extension. Now we'll do that. So to do that, and they have some arrangement. To do that, I'll take linear. So from that center to here, 4 feet. I'll change that, no problem. Four feet and 5 inch. And another things we need to know from, I mean just from that place to that place here, I mean from that direction to that direction. So what is that? 5 feet and 4 by half inch. Okay, and here four feet 2 inch, also 4 feet 2 inch, and here same, right? So and in that direction here, how much? From linear I need from 4 feet 11 inch, and from that point, so what will be its distance? 1 feet and 5 by 1 by 2 inch. I'll change the dimension system. I'll go to our dimension style, and from here modify, and from that architectural to engineering, and I'll take 0.02 precision, and okay, set current and close. Just see it's have changed. Okay, also here it's also have changed. Now we'll start drawing. Here 4 feet and 5 inch. Actually here we'll take some point, and with respect to point we'll draw that. I'll go here for first of all 4 feet 5 inch. Now to create draw, I mean to draw point, I'll go ahead draw, then draw joint object, and we have to provide that value in inch. So in y direction, so we know that this is in y direction, 5 feet and 4 inch. Here 5 feet and 4 inch. So what is the meaning of 5 feet and 4 inch? So 5 into 12, that means 60, and 4 inch, 64 inch in y direction. Enter here on point, and I'll click here, and here, sorry, not 5 feet, that was 4 feet 5 inch. I'm really sorry, 4 feet and 5 inch. Is Control Z, then Control Z, it's done. Now I'll change that again, 48 and 5, that means 53 inch. Enter here, here, done. And after that I need that point. So what is that? 4 feet and 2 inch, that means 50. 48 plus 2, that means 50 inch. 50 inch. Actually this is not very essential to make that difference, because this is very low, and in analysis that will not affect our model more. So we can also neglect that, but I am doing to show that how we can do a model perfectly. And from that point to, I mean in that direction, so what was that value? That was 5 feet and 4.7 inch. That means 5 into 12, 60 inch plus 64.7 inch. That is in x direction. Close that. 64.7 inch in x direction. So from here, that point, and minus 64.7 from that point, and also we need another point here. So what is the difference between that point? Actually that is 3 inch. We know that this difference is only, sorry, from that point to that point difference is 6 inch. So I will close that 6 inch. For 6 inch I'll close that, and I'll go here, or we can do another thing here actually. So okay, we'll take the difference with in y direction, we'll take the difference in 3 inch, because here we have considered 4 feet and 2 inch, and here we have considered 4 feet and 5 inch. That means the difference is 3 inch only. So here I'll give a minus 3 inch, and I'll make it 0. Enter, and just click here. So that point and that point will be in same direction, and here also we need a point. Done. Now first we'll complete that side. Okay, before that we can draw point here. So for that I'll go below 4 feet and 11 inch, here 4 feet and 11 inch, and also here 4 feet and 11 inch, and we also need that point. Okay, we need that point. So that will be 1 feet and 5.5 inch. So first of all I'll take that point. So to do that I'll go here 4 feet and 11 inch, that means 48 plus 11, that means 59 in y direction, minus y direction, 59. Enter, just click here, here, and again just click here. Now we'll take our that point, I mean that point. So what will be that point will be minus 59, and here in x direction minus 12 plus 5.5, that means 17.5 inch. In x direction, minus 17 point, how much, 17.5, then enter. Just click here and see here our point, and that will be plus, and click. So here our point is done. We have done everything. I'll close that, escape, click here. So simply we have done our point. I mean, we have done creating our point. Now we'll go, actually I'm just going very slow so that you can understand everything perfectly. Now I'll go here, simply I'll draw our slab. So this is 5 inch, and from that point to that point, and here that point, again go here for that point, and here, and finally go here, then enter. Just see, it's done with perfect shape. For that side also, here, that point, sorry, I have done a mistake, Control Z, or again I'll take that on. So from that point to that point, and here also, here, and here, done. Again I'll go below. So here normally I'll take rectangular option. So from that point to here, and from that point to here. When you have rectangular portion, then you can draw that in your way. And just something we have to add, that is floor beam 18 inch 18. It's done. From that point to that point, done. For that side, from that point to that point, it's done. And if I just go here, from here to here, again from here to here, again from that point to that point, and finally here. So we have completed creating our slab system. Perfectly have done that. If I just go here, extrude view, and for extrude view, if we go here, you see in that side also we have done that perfectly. Okay, save here, we have done that perfectly. Now when everything is okay, now we'll go for our next step. So what is the next step? We'll create our stair gauge. To do that, I'll skip that. First of all, we need a plane where our staircase, mid landing of our staircase will place. So that will be middle of our that particular floor. So where actually, if I go elevation view, and if I just click here, so in that level our staircase will place. So I'll just go here to modify, add or grid modify. Just first just go here to see what is your data. From base to ground floor, this is 8 feet, and from ground floor to S31, this is 10 feet, total 18 feet. Now our mid landing will place in the middle of that story 1. That means 5 from base of our ground floor. Then total will be 5 plus 8. That means 13 feet. I'll close that. I'll go here, modify, and I'll reference plane. I'll click reference plane, then add, give here 13 feet carefully, and give a name as per your requirement. I'm just giving reference plane. Okay, okay, refresh windows if you need. Okay, just see now here a reference plane available. Done. Now we'll start creating our staircase. To do that, I'll go, first of all, I'll go here for ground floor, then apply, then okay. First of all, here we need some point here. I mean, in how much distance away our, the distance for our landing here. This landing, I'll take distance from the center to that place 5 feet and 6.2 inch. Actually this is 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, 5 feet and 6 inch. 5 feet 6 inch, and here this is 4 feet and 2 inch. 4 feet and 2 inch. This is same as our previous data, 4 feet and 2 inch. Just I need that 2 value first time. I'll go here 5 feet and 6 inch. That means 66. I'll go draw joint object from here in y direction 66 inch. Enter. Click here a point and click here. Okay, done. Now here I will take a null line, and why I will take a null line, I will explain that later. I'll take a null line from that point to that point, and I'll escape. After that I'll select, and after selecting I'll go here, edit, then edit frame, divide frame into two sections, two sections, then apply, then okay. So here our another joint. Now I'll go here for rectangular option. From here in slab 5 inch, I'll change that is slab 6 inch. Stair slab. So from that point to that point. Clear? So our the landing of our slab, below landing of our slab are ready. Similarly, I'll go top. Our story 1, and here also I need a same arrangement. I'll go here, draw joint object, and that will be same as 66. Enter, and here and here. Again, draw a null line here, close, escape, select, edit shell, frame edit, divide frame into 2. Okay. Now again go here and property type slab 6 inch from that point to that point. Done. Then again escape. When the landing of our structure, this is our top and bottom landing. Now we'll draw our mid landing here. Okay, so to do that I have to go our reference plane 30 feet above base. Here also I'll take a beam, this known as a stranger beam, right? SB, from that point to that point, close. After that, from here we'll take our point, so draw point, and that is 4 feet 2 inch, right? 4 feet and 2 inch, same as or that value. So in y direction that will be 50, 48 plus 2, that means 50. Enter, click on that point here and click on that point here. Now simply take the rectangular slab option, property type SS 6 inch, and from here draw our mid landing and enter. So it is done. Then escape, simply select that beam first of all and go edit frame and divide frame into 2, then apply, then okay. After that we'll join that. Now why we have done that, actually it will be very clear to you now. I'll go down, first of all I'll go down. Now I'll go to our AutoCAD and I'll see the direction of our staircase. So this is the direction side. In that direction they'll go in mid landing, and from here they will go in top. Here, just see here the arrow. Okay, now I'll close, I'll go here, I'll take that option to do that. So here, and SS 6 inch, that will be here. Click here and here again, go on mid landing, and from here to here. After that click enter. Let's see, it's done here. Again from that mid landing here, that joint here, go to top, click here and here, enter. So it's also done. Now escape, see here our that slab are available here. Okay, a slab are available here, we can see that perfectly. See, it's available here. In that way we are able to model our staircase. Now just actually now you can understand why I have just divided that frame. Now I'll simply select that frame, and that frame also I'll delete. Oops, sorry. Let's see here. Now we have no requirement of that. Just see here. Now it's okay. After that I'll go here and I'll select that null frame and that null frame, and I'll delete. Just done. Here you can see our staircase is okay. Clear? So in this way we are able to create our model perfectly. Now if you hear, that means you are really interested to our video, and if you really are interested to our video, then please continue that course and also like your video, subscribe to our channel, and also leave a comment how was that. And please don't forget to support us if possible by joining as a member or give us super thanks. Thank you very much. S12, stay connected till next lecture, and in our next lecture I will apply loads on our model, and then we'll continue analyzing and design. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.